What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? Yo, this you know how it go. It's your boy B back with another video. So today, guys, I'm gonna address some real simple things. What's up, Brandon? So if you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping making you an extra income. And I take this very serious, right? Like, this to me isn't a hobby. It's not a get rich quick scheme. This is not a side hustle. This is not a activity. This is my life, right? Like, selling electronics is something that I do. You understand me? It's something that I do, something that I'm good at, something that I enjoy. And as I grow on this channel, right, I understand that I'm gonna get comments and I'm gonna get people that have different perspectives. I've been getting comments in my DMs, and always feel free to leave comments under my videos, but let's have a healthy dialogue, right? Why do people comment or voice their opinions when their opinions have no backing, right? So we're gonna address something really quickly. Well, preferably not quickly. Let's take our time with it so that we can actually make it make sense. I had a person actually comment basically saying, I actually will read it, right? I will read it. So I'm on my way right now to another warehouse to actually pick up a few things. He said, bro, $75 for fake ones. Do you really think people are stupid? It is easy to tell that the link in your description belongs to you. All right, let's make this abundantly clear, right? And I want to make it clear because if this person has this perception of me, I'm sure maybe somebody else may. I'm not sure how or why. If you go to my Instagram, educated__hustler, or you go to my business Instagram, Hustler Taught Me, you will see that I have my company, WESPLY, linked in my bio, and me being the owner. Now, the reason I do this is because I want people to know what I'm associated with, right? I have another brand that I don't even talk about online because it leads to people actually just playing with my business that I've started from the ground up that has nothing to do with the internet, right? As you guys know, I operate and own phone stores in Philadelphia as well. And these are businesses that I actually created physically. The warehouse I'm going to, I've worked, create, built, have physical products at physically. The links that I have in my descriptions or in my bios, wherever you see them, I only promote my products. I haven't got to the point to where I want to do affiliates, and I have a partnership with AliExpress that they're trying to give me. DHgate already has reached out to me to work and promote their products. Listen, I'm not one of those creators. I'm not. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not one of those creators that teaches you how to sell spider hoodies and teaches you how to sell fake product cologne. I'm not one of those, right? And I'll be honest with you. Those individuals book calls with me because they want to know where I'm getting my reps, my clones, my products from. And I'm not trying to sound cocky or trying to sound mean, rude, but I just don't want you to not misunderstand. Yeah, I don't want you to misunderstand how calculated I am, right? I'm a calculated individual because I failed so many times. So for anybody to think that I am trying to act as if I don't own my own company or own the products that I am selling or promoting, you're crazy. Because the products that I'm promoting, I've literally had to utilize for 6+ months just to make sure they have quality, right? And I understand what the new narrative is going to be, especially when you grow and certain people start to see you start to attract miserable people, which again, that's okay, right? I've realized that when I had my third phone store after my 2 failed, that I was going to have people that were just hating, right? People that were just going to say the most negative things, people that just were going to try to be rude just because they didn't have their own stuff going on, so they had to try to poop on somebody else's parade, right? And that's okay, right? And I understand it. But one thing I will say is me being somebody that is an entrepreneur and growing the way that I'm growing, I had to understand that everybody isn't going to be as successful or as kind or as helpful, or even if you're being a critic, be a critic with some good intention, right? Everybody's not going to be that. And you sometimes have to take those punches and learn from them. So you're going to, especially selling clones and or replicas or any type of product, going to come across somebody that's going to say your product isn't good without even buying them. How does that make sense? I can tell that $75 for your headphones. I have no headphones for wholesale for $75. Never would I ever have headphones for $75. If the headphones cost $75 wholesale, I wouldn't even acquire them because that would be too high of a cost of goods for me. So let me give you a correction. The headphones that I do have for sale are $75 if you want to buy one pair, which would mean that you're buying them retail, but they are $27 if you buy more than one. So for you to even say that, and for you to even make that assumption, I would say, because obviously there's not any facts in that comment, it kind of troubles me. Because if you can't read my price, and you can't understand what I'm doing and how a wholesale website works, how could you or do you understand AliExpress or DHgate or whatever you get your products from? That's concerning. Why is that concerning? It's concerning because it's like, well, if you're having trouble with that, then you're going to have trouble ordering from others as well. And if that's the case, then you don't need to be in this business, right? So understand that wesply.com is my website, my company, my warehouse. It is a company that I created for resellers that are struggling like how I was struggling. When I first started reselling, I couldn't find a company in the United States of America that was selling products that I can get within 2 to 3 days. I couldn't find a place that would actually sell to me wholesale without having an EIN or a reseller's permit that I could share with them. I couldn't find a company that would sell me wholesale without me providing or paying for a high quantity. They usually wanted me to buy like 40 pieces or 30 pieces. I couldn't find that. So what did I do? The entrepreneur I am is I created a company that solved these pain points that I had. That's what happened. And in every video I talk about that. In every video I don't want to cap or try to make something sound like it's not, right? Like, I don't say it in every video because I don't talk about it in every video. But the videos where I'm talking about my companies, I'm explaining to you the pain points that I had, because those pain points are the reasons I'm literally here on YouTube. I'm not on YouTube to make bread from YouTube, because if I was on YouTube to make money from YouTube, I would be stressing about my views. I would be stressing about a whole bunch of my watch time. Listen, I'm here because I'm showing people and documenting exactly what my experiences are, and I love doing this. And this is something that I do make money from, and it's something that I do make a lot of money from. Replicas are great. Clones are great. I've made 6 figures on reps 2 years ago. You guys already know that if you watch me, and I've explained my whole story with that. I've made so much money off of replicas. I've made so much money off of clones. I made so much money off of electronics. And it's all because of the supporters and the people that actually give it a chance. But if you don't want to give it a chance, you don't have to. Like, nobody's forcing you to be a reseller. Nobody is forcing you to build a business. Nobody is forcing you to watch my video. And most importantly, nobody is forcing you to like my quality that you've never received. Like, it's crazy. It's astronomically insane for somebody to say, yeah, your quality of your product is trash, but they've never ordered. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. But what they'll say is it's trash because I can't afford it or because I don't have it. That's the difference. And you have to understand, when people are hating and when people are criticizing, it's 2 different things. People that are hating on you, they're going to dislike you or dislike something when they haven't had any clear reason why. And somebody that's giving you criticism, hey, Brandon, I ordered the headphones from you and they weren't good quality. I don't like them. Hey, why don't you like them? How can we improve? No, none of that. Because guess what? I haven't heard that. And even if I myself look at it and say that it could be better. I always start looking and trying to find different and better vendors so that I can always keep my products top tier, no matter what. I'm always moving forward. I'm never stagnant, happy with one supplier or happy with one type of product. I'm always moving forward. And that is how you have to be in this reselling game, because there's always competition, always haters, always people that's going to try to stop you. But the point is, don't stop, don't keep. Listen, don't let nobody remind you of how you used to feel. I used to feel the way that person feels. Angry, upset, being a hater, because I didn't have nothing going for myself. Then I got things going for myself, and then I found distributors, and then I built a business, and then I grew. It's a difference, y'all. You guys have to understand that this channel is just here to make you money. Like, that's literally why we're here. We ain't here to spin you. I'm not here to even make you buy a product. Get those products on AliExpress, Alibaba, wherever you want, or go to wesply.com. Either way, I'm still going to show you how to list. I'm still going to show you how to ship. I'm still going to show you how to build and grow your business, no matter what. We are educated hustlers. We hustle no matter what. We keep moving forward no matter what. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.